Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS RDS for MySQL Server 8.0.43, then connect from the MySQL Workbench. So I have connected to AWS console, then click on this services, then click on database, or just search here for RDS. See here we have Aurora and RDS. So click on it, then click on DB instances, then click on create database. Now see here we have two database creation methods, standard create and easy create. Okay, I'm going with standard create. Then see here we have the Aurora MySQL and MySQL. I'm going to create only MySQL, not Aurora MySQL. Okay, so select MySQL, then come down. Then we have to select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. Select it. It is the latest version at the time of making this video. Then see here templates, production, development and free tier. Okay, if you select production, see here these options are available, like availability and durability. But if you select free tier, see those two are grayed out. Okay, it is up to you, based on requirement you have to select. For this demo purpose I am going with this free tier eligible. Okay, then provide the name for the DB instance identifier. I am giving AWS RDS MySQL 8.0.43. Okay, then provide the master username. I'm okay with that. Admin, or you can give your own RDS admin. Then credentials management. See here, managed in AWS Secret Manager or self-managed. Okay, it is up to you. I'm going to use the self-managed. Then if you want to auto generate the password, you have to select the checkbox. But I want to specify my one, so don't select the checkbox. See, it is not valid. The password must be 8 characters, 8 printable ASCII characters, and it cannot contain these symbols. Okay. Then instance configuration. See, DB instance class. See, we have only these two options for free tier eligible, because here we have selected free tier. But if you select production or development, we will have all this. Okay, so I'm going with minimal. Then storage type. See here we have different options. I'm going with general purpose SSD GP3. Then allocated storage I'm giving 20 is minimum, and maximum we can give up to 6144 gigabytes. Okay, it is up to you based on your requirement. Then additional storage configuration. See here, if you want to enable auto scaling, you have to select and you have to provide the threshold, okay, in gigabytes. Then connectivity, if you don't want to connect an EC2 compute resource, you have to select this one. If you want to connect, you have to select this one. Okay, it is up to you. Then network type, I am going with IPv4. If you want dual stack mode, you have to select this one. Okay, VPC, I don't have any VPC. Okay, so it will create new VPC. Then DB subnet group. Okay, I don't have anything, so it will create public access. Select yes if you want to connect from the internet. Okay, then security group, choose the existing one, it is the default, or if you want to create new security group from this one, you have to select it. Provide the name for the security group. Then availability zones. See here we have these options, so you can select any one of them. Then I am not going to configure. CS certificate authority also I am not going to configure. Then additional information. See, default port for MySQL Server is 83306. Okay, then database authentication. See here we have three options: password authentication, password and IAM database authentication, password and Kirboss authentication. I am going with password authentication. Remaining options I am not going to configure, like enable monitoring. If you enable, you have to select these options. Okay, if you want to export logs, see, select log types to publish to Amazon CloudWatch logs. Okay, so if you want, you can select them. It is up to you. Then advanced configuration. If you want to create database, then provide the name of the database. Remaining, and if you want to enable automated backups, we have to select the checkbox. If you don't want, unselect it. Okay, see, then we have to select the retention period. See, if you unselect, that backup retention policy is gone. Okay, it is up to you how you want to enable. Then remaining options I am going with all defaults. So, and also see here maintenance window. If you want to provide maintenance window, you have to select this Tuesday window. Then you have to provide these options. If you want to enable delete production, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Okay. If you are review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on this create database. See here, master username RDS admin cannot be used as it is reserved by the engine. So provide some other username. MySQL admin. Okay, remember this username. Then come down and click on create database. See, now it is creating database. Close this one. See, status is creating. Wait until this status to be changed to running. Click on this identifier. If you want to use the connection details, click on here. See, this is the master username and this is the password. If you want to get the password, just click on this copy button to copy the password to clipboard. Okay. See here, this is the DB identifier name that you have given, engine and class DB class type. This is the region. See, network information, VPC security details, subnets and other information. See, still it is creating. See, successfully created database. Okay. Now it is configuring log exports. Okay. Now view connection details. See here we have the endpoint. Before it was not populated. Okay. Also see here it populated all information like endpoint. Before it was not there. Now we will connect this RDS MySQL server. Just click on this endpoint to copy. Then go to here. Then click on this plus button. Then in hostname we have to give that endpoint. Then port number is 3306. Then username is, you forgot the username. Connection details, we have the username. But if you close this one, even if you close this one, if you want to find the username, then go to configuration. See here we have the master username. Okay, copy it. Go to here, provide it, provide the password. Then you have to provide the connection name. Then provide the password. Then click on OK. Then click on text connection. See, successfully made the MySQL connection. Click on OK. Then click on OK. Now click on OK. Now it should have the MySQL bank database that you have created as initial database. Again provide the password. You see we have successfully connected. Go to schemas. See here we have the database bank. Okay. Even if you go to administration, go to users and privileges. See, it has the user related to RDS like RDS admin and RDS super user. Okay. And MySQL admin is the user that you have created. If you want to change the password, click on here. Okay. Or as I told you, if you want to change the password, go to here and provide the password. Then click on modify. Then you have to provide the password. Okay. See here you have to provide the password and confirm. Then come to here and click on continue. This is the way. Okay. So go to databases again, and if you are not using, go to actions. See here stop temporarily. If you are not using permanently, delete. And if you want to reboot, click on reboot. And also see here we have different options. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to create or set up AWS RDS for MySQL Server 8.0.43 and connected from the MySQL Workbench. Okay. For more tutorials, for more AWS or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.